Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Valentin Uwizeyimana working with the University of Rwanda among other affiliations. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the research project that I developed and have been leading on the funding from MasterCard Foundation through its Leaders in Teaching program. This project has been investigating the effect of mobile technologies and digital literacy on teaching and learning in Rwandan secondary schools from a teacher's perspective. My project team was made of 5 members: myself, Dr. Valentin Uwizeyimana, the project principal investigator, and I've been working with Dr. Ron Mujemana, Dr. Dorothy Tukahabwa, Dr. Agnes Mbonyiduse, and Mr. Furuja Shumbusho. As introduction to the project, it is known that the issues of digital divide and the lack of digital literacy have been identified as one of the major challenges to a successful teaching and learning process in the current world, characterized by using emerging technologies in all areas of human life. With the various challenges such as pandemics, wars, displacement, and the movement of people that the world is facing in increasing number, there is an increasing need for alternative mode of operating in every sector, including education, other than the traditional face-to-face mode. With this increasing need, those issues of digital divide and the lack of digital literacy are becoming more apparent than ever before. And it is why this project had the following two specific objectives. The first was to investigate the status of digital literacy and the use of mobile technological devices for educational purposes. And the second was to determine the extent and the nature of the contribution of digital literacy and mobile technological devices to the teacher's performance. And I and my team were adopting the mixed method approach for data collection analysis. On one hand, we use the quantitative method to collect and analyze data on the status of digital literacy among Rwandan secondary schools, teachers, and the extent to which digital literacy and mobile technologies can contribute to teachers' performance. A survey was used, and the data was quantitatively analyzed and visualized using Python and other softwares. On the other hand, we collect qualitative methods through field visits, observation, and open questions in the survey, and these data were analyzed and visualized by using MaxQDA software. With regards to the use of mobile technological devices for educational purposes among the Rwandan secondary school teachers, we investigated different variables, including the mobile technology ownerships, whereby we found that 98% of the teachers who took part in this project own their mobile technologies. Focusing on the only technologies, we found that the top owned type is smartphones, which occupied 88% of the total owned devices. Laptop computers were owned by 39%, tablets 9%, and classic mobile phone 17%. With regard to the status of digital literacy, investigate different variables such as source of digital literacy skills, and we found that the majority secondary school teachers developed their digital literacy skills through self-learning. And concerning the specific activities that the secondary school teachers execute to improve their performance by using mobile technological devices, it was found that 64% sometimes use their device to do internet search, and 55% always use their devices in communication, and 31% use them to organize activities such as group works and distributing take-home assignments. Focusing on the extent and nature, it was found out that the students' motivation and interest towards the taught subjects as well as the students' engagement are increasing. And based on the funding of the project, we provide different recommendations and practical suggestions regarding the incorporation of mobile technologies in secondary schools in Rwanda.